Hi viewers, welcome to Full of Chemistry. This is Mobina. Let's start the third video of the previous question paper in 2017. 21st question. The amyloid protein deposition associated with Alzheimer's disease is composed of. The answer is option B, beta sheet. Amyloid beta peptide fibrillation and deposition as beta amyloid are hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease pathology. Amyloid beta denotes peptides of 36 to 43 amino acids that are crucially involved in Alzheimer's disease as the main component of the amyloid plaques found in the brains of people with Alzheimer's disease. Question number 22. An uncompetitive inhibitor binds to. The answer is option A, enzyme substrate complex. Uncompetitive inhibition or anti-competitive inhibition takes place when an enzyme inhibitor binds only to the complex formed between the enzyme and the substrate. Question number 23. The coenzyme involved in carboxylation reaction is. The answer is option D, biotin. Biotin is bound to enzymes involved in carboxylation reactions. In such reactions, biotin acts as the carrier of carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide biotin compound is known as active carbon dioxide. Example, acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase is a biotin-dependent enzyme that catalyzes the irreversible carboxylation of acetyl coenzyme A to produce malonyl coenzyme A through its two catalytic activities, that is biotin carboxylase and carboxyl transferase. Question number 24. Which of the following is not a component of dietary fiber? The answer is option B, agar. Dietary fiber or roughage is the portion of plant-derived food that cannot be completely broken down by human digestive enzymes. It has two main components, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber, which are components of plant foods such as legumes, whole grains, cereals, vegetables, fruits, nuts, etc. The water-soluble dietary fibers include arabinoxylan, inulin, pectin, raffinose. Water-insoluble dietary fibers are cellulose, chitin, lignin, resistant starch, etc. Question number 25. The component of bacterial RNA polymerase responsible for recognizing the promoter is. The answer is option C, sigma subunit. Bacterial RNA polymerase is made up of 4 subunits, and when a 5th subunit attaches called the sigma factor, the polymerase can recognize specific binding sequences in the DNA called promoters. The binding of sigma factor to the promoter is the first step in initiation. Once the sigma factor releases from the polymerase, elongation proceeds. Question number 26. Which of the following virus has double-stranded RNA as genetic material? The answer is option D, reovirus. Rotaviruses are also double-stranded RNA viruses. Single-stranded RNA viruses include dengue virus, SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus, MERS, etc. The phage 5X174 and some coliphages have single-stranded DNA. Double-stranded DNA viruses are also commonly divided between tailed double-stranded DNA viruses, referring to Diplonaviria, usually the tailed bacteriophages of the order Cordovirales, and non-tailed dsDNA viruses, the Varinaviria. Question number 27. The normal immunological role of CD8 positive T cells is. The answer is option C, kills virus infected cells. CD8 plus T cells, often called cytotoxic T lymphocytes, are very important for immune defense against intracellular pathogens, including viruses and bacteria, and for tumor surveillance. When a CD8 plus T cell recognizes its antigen and becomes activated, it has 3 major mechanisms to kill infected cells. Question number 28. In nitrogen cycle, anemox bacteria convert. The answer is option B, ammonia and nitrite to nitrogen. Anemox, anaerobic ammonium oxidation, is an important microbial process of nitrogen cycle. Here, nitrite and ammonium ions are converted directly into nitrogen and water. They have some striking properties. They all possess one N-amoxosome. Of special interest is the conversion to hydrazine as an intermediate. An extremely slow growth rate, the doubling time is anywhere from 7 to 22 days. 29th question. Alpha amanitin is sensitive to. The answer is option D, eukaryotic RNA polymerase II. Alpha amanitin, a cyclic octapeptide, is toxic because of its affinity for RNA polymerase II in eukaryotic cells. Since this enzyme is responsible for mRNA synthesis in the cell, the compound is a potent and selective inhibitor of mRNA synthesis. The last question in this video. Which DNA binding domain is function as transcriptional regulators in eukaryotes? The answer is option A, homeodomain. Well, let's finish now. We can meet with another questions. Thank you.